Good server, back up. Front row, back up. Ali, back up. It's a good server, keep it in front of you. Okay. Nice. Let's go, ladies, one at a time. Keep focused. You're in the front row, let the back row work. Hey, just call for help. Hey, keep your head up, you're doing good. Remember, we're not supposed to win in this division. All of us are 2 years younger than the youngest people on every other team. Okay, that's a big difference. And we are banging heads with everybody. Am I a little bit more strict now? Yes, but I need to be because you have the potential to be that much better, okay? Already, we are taking it to everybody. We're making them second guess when they play us. They don't want to play us. There's a reason for it. And I'm trying to drag more out of you because I know there's more there. All right, when we get to our full potential, that's gonna be scary. It's gonna be just like we were with the other division. We're going to start steamrolling everybody. But until then, we gotta work on the little things. And we gotta be able to let go bad plays. You like to hold on to them. That's your one major mistake. Next play. You always hear me, next play, right? You give me effort, so I'm not mad. I never get mad because you give me effort. It's when you quit and you stop halfway. Until that ball hits the ground, don't stop moving, okay? Don't think it's going to hit the ground and then stop, and then it hits. No. Get to it. If you miss it, you miss it. It's when you stop. That's where I'm like, girl, I know you got some more in those legs, right? Okay, keep working. I didn't forget, you stuck in behind me. And then you went that way. And then you came this way.
Can I have your salad?
I already ate them. I am. Nope. Nice. Good call. Great spot. Good. Nice, Carly. Shania, you got caught sleeping. You got caught just watching over there. And then it came at you. Stay ready. Just enough. Just enough. Hey, bring in, bring in. All right, we've been here before. Last set, we had an 8-point lead and we dropped it. Stay focused. That ball will come back. Communicate to each other. Keep it up on 3. I didn't call the timeout. All right, ladies, stay focused.
Making sure chocolate covered strawberries every time.
What's that?
They should sell chocolate covered
All right, defense, I want this ball back. Thank you, good job. Ruby. Good toss, straight hand. Well, everybody please make sure your shoelaces are tied before you go in. Fix your lace before it comes untied. Nice. That was smooth, Ari. Girl, that butt was all in the air. That was no good. Do that again, but better this time. Okay. I know. Jump up, punch it with your knuckles. That'll pop it over. Hey, and remember, get here and come up, okay? That'll get the ball over. There's a hit. She just didn't want to play with you anymore. She's like, I'm just going to take over. Good job. That was a nice hit. There we go. Oh! Hey! That's it, Julia. You're almost there. Come on. Defense, get it back, get it back. Look at the 5. When you're pushing, look at the 5. Come here. What do you see in the 5?
Her?
Yeah. Look how much space is behind her. All right. All day that's open. All right, hands off your knees. Come on, be ready. Taylor. Yep. Taylor, stop moving away from the ball. It keeps falling in that area. Go after it. Good. There you go. Great coverage. Great coverage. Net, net, net. There we go. Way to play the net. Great job. Oh. You're waiting too long here, right? Get into it. Where are your feet? Okay? Get your feet under you. Okay, get it back. Stay in position. We gotta be disciplined.
If they end up winning, are we gonna like that?
Yes. You gotta pay attention in your area. You gotta stop quitting on a ball, okay? The ball's in the, I don't care about thoughts. The ball's in the air. We gotta play our responsibilities. What are we responsible for? Front row, right? So when you kind of go back, yes, your freezer, but that's no excuse for you either. That's your responsibility. So whether she takes a step back or not has no determination on whether you go after the ball, okay? These are the simple mistakes that I'm telling you about, the mental errors. We're not getting beat on skill. We're getting beat on the mental errors. 8-point lead, we dropped again, okay? We gotta pick it up. Get it back on 3.
Get it back on 3! Get it back on 3! 1, 2, 3, get it back!
You can't move that platform. You can't move it. Serve, receive, that's it. Just receive the ball. Don't try and do anything else with it. You're up high. Hey. You're good. Straighten your platform out. Mia, straighten your platform out. Don't have it angled to the net. Hey, bring it in. I just told you. Now you've dropped 10 points in a row because we're just popping our hands out. We're not playing mechanically sound. You're a good defensive squad out there, but you guys are playing like trash. You're just mailing it in. We're swinging. Serve, receive. You don't swing. Get your hand out there, get your platform straight, and get the ball in the air. Not at the net, not back over for a one shot. Get the ball in the air. Flat platforms, okay? Take a breath. Breathe. Right? Reset yourself. Let go of anything that happened before, because if you don't let this crap go, we're going to lose. You have to let it go so we can move to the next play and get it back, all right? Get it back on 3.
Get it back on 3! Get it back on 3! 1, 2, 3, get it back!
Y'all got lucky. One at a time, Allie, one at a time. That ain't it. All right, defense, let's go. Mia, we gotta stop swinging. You can't swing on serve receive. Now move up. You're not guarding it. Move up, Mia. More. Mia. Hey, if you're standing here, who cares if it goes out? Play up. Good work, Taylor. There it is. Taylor, that was all hustle, all you. Great job. One at a time. All right. Now one more. Give me one at a time, right? Good job. Just. Hey, defense, we need this play. We need this play. You quit. You quit.